Welcome to the Osaki GrandDuo installation guide. Lift the right armrest close to the main body. Make sure each pin aligns with the correct hole before inserting. Insert the top pin into the inner hole. Then insert the bottom pin and press both firmly into place. Next, open the accessory box inside the armrest package and take out the screws. Align the screw holes and securely tighten the M6 by 30 screw. Connect the air tube and match the wiring harness by color. Lift the left armrest close to the main body. Just like the right side, make sure each pin aligns correctly before inserting. Insert the top pin into the inner hole, followed by the bottom pin, and push both firmly into place. Align the screw holes and securely tighten the M6 by 30 screw. Connect the air tube and match the wiring harness by color. Connect the wiring, then attach the air hose. Remove the screws from both sides of the Legrest, then lift the pivot plate. Attach the Legrest to the main body and lower the pivot plate back into place. Tighten the screws securely to ensure a firm connection. Peel off the adhesive backing and attach the Velcro to secure it in place. Zip the back cushion to both sides of the backrest. Connect the shawl heating pad. Zip the top of the back cushion to the backrest. Zip the bottom of the back cushion to the seat. Then, zip on the head cushion. Insert the bracket rod into the armrest and align it. Place the tablet controller on the holder. Lift the Aromatherapy cover and remove the Aromatherapy box. Turn the knob to open the box and replace the fragrance pads. Then close the lid and tighten the knob. Insert the fragrance box back into the chair. Your installation is now complete. Plug in the power, sit back, and enjoy your Osaki GrandDuo massage chair.